So now I'm going to create a simple Libs game in Python. So if you don't know what the Libs game is, it's pretty much just a bunch of text with some of the words customizable. So we're going to ask the user for an input, and then we're going to input those words into this Libs game. So what I have over here on the screen is a very simple poem. I think it's pretty known. Everyone knows this. It's a pretty classic thing. Roses are red, violets are blue, Mario has a flute. I think we can all appreciate the glory of this poem. But now we're going to make it slightly customizable. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to replace first the word red with curly brackets color, the word blue with curly brackets color, and then Mario with curly brackets name. And obviously what we want to do now is we want these words to be customizable. So we have to make variables. So what I'm thinking is we're going to create a user input and 3 variables, which all take user input. So the first variable, color1, equals input, parentheses, quotation marks, and then we put our prompt. So enter a color. Now I'm just gonna copy that over. Color2, enter a second color, and then a name variable, name equals input, parentheses, quotation marks, enter a name. And now we actually have to put those variables into the text. So color1, color2, and name. And we have to put the letter F at the beginning of the string. If you want to learn more about why I'm doing this, go back to previous episodes. There's a single episode dedicated fully to strings. This is where I'm explaining how this method of creating a string works. So now we have a functioning Libs game. If I'm going to start it now, it opens up the console and asks us to enter a color, let's say pink, enter a second color, black, and enter a name, John Wick. Now if we enter, it's going to print out roses are pink, violets are black, John Wick has a flute. So that's already a pretty cool Libs game. And I actually have a homework for you today. Go and create a Libs game yourself. Of course, try to create a more complicated one than just 3 inputs and 3 lines, and try to be as creative as possible. It's all good practice for Python. And yeah, that's it. See ya.